Hello, English students. This is a video on how to set up your paper in MLA format. And the basic paper setup is the same for APA format, at least in my class. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to put your name, your teacher's name, the class name, and the date, and double space it. This will be the format for all of the papers that you write in my class. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this little box and I'm going to click, and you can see this is the line spacing box, and you can see that it's on 1.0 right now. Now I could just put it on 2, but there are a couple of other things that I like to do in here too. And one is to make sure that I don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. And then I make these little guys 0, and you can see the line spacing is double. And then this gives an example of what it looks like. So the first thing is my name, and then the teacher's name, then the class name, and the date. And you can just hit enter for the date. And then I'm going to go down one more line, and I don't know what my title is yet, except that I know that my title needs to go in the middle and not on the left. And I don't have any extra space in here, so this little button up here centers the text, or puts it on the left, or puts it on the right. So for the title, I want it in the middle. I'm not going to put any quotation marks around it. Even when I have an actual title, it doesn't get any quotation marks. So for now, it's just a placeholder, and I just write title. And then I press enter again to go down onto the next line. And then I go back to make all the text on the left. The next thing I'm going to do is press the tab key to indent it one space. All right, so one more thing we're going to do here, and that is to add page numbers. So I'm going to go up to the insert. Sorry about, I keep getting this advertisement. And then I'm going to go over, I could go to header and footer, but it doesn't do what I want it to do. So I'm going to go to page number, and I just go page number. And I don't want it at the bottom of the page. I want it at the top of the page. And I'm going to click OK. And now I have a page number. Now I'm going to go into the header. Would be nice if we were able to do it just in the page number box, but they're not letting us do that right now. So I'm going to go edit header, and I'm going to go click in just before the 1, and I'm going to type my last name and a space. And then I close the header and footer. And I only have one page right now, so I'm going to press enter until I get to the next page. What you're seeing here with the little blue backwards P's is non-printing characters that show where paragraph marks are. So we're going to go to the next page, and you can see down here at the bottom that it has automatically put my name, and it has put on there page 2. So that's all there is to it. I hope this helps. This is for every paper you write in class, unless you're writing for the discussion board or writing in a text box. Thanks for listening.